Hi, my name is Aisha Korrie.A and I'm 12 Science 5.
And my name is Praba Dewi from 12 Science 5, number absent 3.
In this video, we're going to show you about how to make water filter at home. So, the first thing we should know is material that we use to make this water filter.
We use 3-inch and 0.5-inch PVC pipe, 3-inch and 0.5-inch pipe caps, 0.5-inch elbow, PVC glue, aquarium filter, sand, gravel, and also charcoal for filter materials. Now, we are going to the steps.
The first step is wash off the filter materials. There is a charcoal, gravel, and sand. And the second step is provides two pieces of 3-inch diameter PVC pipe, each 40 cm long and 30 cm long. Provides also 4 pieces of 0.5-inch PVC pipe, each 10 cm long, and 1 piece of 23 cm PVC pipe. The third step is hold each pipe with a distance of 12 cm from the bottom. The hole size is 0.5 inch. Hold also the cover caps with the same size.
Step 4. Take 2 pieces of 10 cm long pipe, make lots of small holes on all the area to become perforated pipe. After that, attach that pipes to 3-inch pipes by entering into each hole, make sure nothing is leaking and then apply the glue. The 6th, cover the bottom of 3 pipes with pipe caps and apply glue again to prevent water come out. The step 7, fill filter materials into each of 3-inch pipes. So the last step is connect the two 3-inch pipes with the rest small pipes and elbow. This is the time I want to show you the result of our water filter. Ta-da! This is our water filter. And this is a comparison between a filtered water and unfiltered water. So that's it from our groups. Last but not least, if there was a mistake, we're so sorry about that. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.